outside. Now we're on from.
Isn't there anyone who knows what Christmas is all about?
Welcome to this Christmas. Yeah, see those.
Good morning, guys. It is quite early, like near 6:30. I don't even know, but hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, I'm Shakay and I do vlogs, lifestyle and beauty videos. So if you're interested in that kind of content, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, click the bell so you're notified every time I make a video. Today's video is gonna be my parents' anniversary video plus a lot more, but we're starting off with the anniversary content. So we're up a bit early. Chicken, shut up now. We're up early and we're gonna cook their breakfast. So yeah, whenever they get up, I'm going to start playing a song for them, the happy anniversary song, but I will not be playing it here, so you guys will just be seeing the sped up thing, or even if I put it in there, I'm not sure, because you know, copyright. So let's get into the day. Welcome to day of Vlogmas, guys.
Where say y'all for girl? Daddy's girl. So why y'all recording?
Just want to hear it on camera.
I'm here. Me and daddy's girl. Me and daddy go, me we go. Go on, man.
Mommy, how you feel about that?
Very bad.
Wait, alright guys, so I am ready for class. We're gonna give our parents a gift, and then I'm gonna eat breakfast and go to class. Hi guys! So it's lunchtime though. What time?
After 12.
It's after 12.
3 minutes to 1.
3 minutes to 1. It's 3 minutes to 1. And I'm not eating no lunch yet. Shani not give me no lunch. So
I did fair duty for the lunch today.
So we are gonna get some lunch. So I'm gonna get something to eat. See you in a few. Don't drop it? Don't drop. Guys, so plantain, if you don't know what plantain looks like. So all the people are like, you eat plantain chips and you don't know what the real plant looks like. This is it. So we're going to be making fried. Hey girl, give me juice. We're going to be making fried plantain. So basically what I'm going to do, I'm going to be peeling these things here. So this is a mini cook with me while Shani drink out my juice in the fridge. So this is going to be a mini cook with me. So let me put you guys here so you guys can see properly what may I do. So I'm going to peel and then put it in the thingy. So let me see if I can show you guys what I peel it. Alright guys, and make sure you don't throw away this part as yet. Leave at least 2 good parts. And then I'm going to cut it in half. And then cut 1.5 in 2. That makes sense? Yeah, I hope it makes sense. But yeah, this, so in the end you're gonna end up with 4 pieces. I'm going to be putting the, what is Maggi seasoning? It's the onion, and it's not on it right now, but I'll take it out of the pack. But it's these little cubes thingy. So this is the onion and garlic one. I want flavor, you know, I want flavor. So I'm gonna open it and crumble it on it because it comes as a cube. This is what it looks like for those who don't know it. Yes, so I'm gonna crumble it. I'm gonna put some Maggi season up jerk seasoning on it because we're trying to get as much flavor as we can. And then just some salt. And that's it. And then I just rub it up so that each of them gets seasoning. Alright guys, so this is what they look like in the pot. The aim is to fry them enough so it's kind of cooked already, but don't fry it too much so that it can't be crushed. You get what I'm saying? So enough to burn, but it should be fried, not too much, if you get what I mean. If it actually cook but not crispy. Because what we're gonna do, we are gonna crush it after this. Alright guys, so we take the, what do you call this, the plantain, we place it in the shell thingy, or whatever you call that, and we press. So this is why you need two, because it's hot. You're not gonna wait until it gets cool, so you need to press, because we want to flatten it. And then it will look like this. And you put it back in the pot to fry and do the rest. Alright guys, so this is the final thing. These are my plantains. And I just made a frank to go with it. So lunchtime! Guys, I'm finally done with this haul. Well, kind of. We still have that bed to, you know, make. Focus. We still have that bed to make, but for the most part it is done. Done. So yeah, that is gonna be the final look of it. I put up the curtains. It's kind of wet, that's why I don't want to go in, but the table over there, the things mom made on this table here, and the TV stand and all is cute. Yeah, so just to make that bed and put on the cushion covers. I did put something on the door I want to show y'all, but all right, let me try and do this. So I did put this on the door. My sister bought these and one of them is going on this door. So I have this haul done, the dining room is done, this one that you guys saw is done. So we have the kitchen to do, and pretty much like, ooh, I need to like plug in the lights. I don't know if I showed you guys the lights in the night, but it's cute though. Look at that. Yeah, we still need an extension for this, but it's cute, so we'll excuse him for being who he is at the moment. We do have to put up a curtain there and one right here because we like to block it off, because once you stand at the front door you can actually see inside of my room if it's not closed. So we like to put a curtain there, but for the most part the place is clean. Good morning guys. So I'm gonna be merging this vlog with the one that's previous. Well, you already see that, but yeah, since I did on the today, I'm uploading my collab with Jelani. Hopefully it goes through and I don't have to, you know, split this video. So today, on today's agenda I have my sister's room to do. You guys, I will not be doing a lot of that on this channel, but I will link her channel down below because I will be filming her room transformation and all, but it will be going on her channel. So if y'all want to see that, go ahead and click the link down below. I'll leave the link in the description for you guys to see. And well, alright guys, so don't mind all the things that you see. She started to like do a little bit of organizing and stuff. So that's her basket normally outside, that's closed. Alright, so since she hasn't been sleeping in her room, we have turned this room into all the things that we bought, we placed on her bed. So all of those are actually things we just bought. You remember my haul? Oh no, see that yet, that's at the room haul. the hall, like those things are decor and stuff like that. Those are things that we bought basically. So she started to do her organization. So this is her little towel slash rag thing, her jewelry, and her bathroom stuff and such and such. So oh yes, and she did these too. So I just need to, you know, sort out how I'm gonna be doing her room. So yeah, this is it. So this is her you know, what I call these, lotions, perfumes. Guys, my sister has some cute perfume and it smell nice. She got a few for her birthday the other day. Pure Seduction. This one is cute. I think she bought this one for herself. This is cute. Confetti Pop, and I'm sure it smells good. I'm gonna smell it. I wanna know I'm enough. Don't mind that pink thing. So oh my god, I'm gonna have a spray on myself. I'm a fool, so I don't know why this is giving me a yellow vibe. I don't like the yellow vibe-ish thingy. I don't know why, but yeah. Anyways, I don't know why, but yeah, she has this. She has this cute one, guys. Only can't tell me where she get them something here from. When yeah, no. Oh gosh, so pity I don't like perfume that much, but them smell good. And I don't, it's not like perfume, people. And I not like perfume. I love perfume. It's just that with my I have bronchitis. I really can't take the smell for long. Like right now, this I go bother me soon because I have sinus too. It's so cute. So that thought of a thing where we connect one, but that one isn't how, it's only half of it working, so it's fine. Kind of like this tree going with one thing. Let's let all of them be blinking if they want to blink. There we go. No? Yay. Alright guys, so I'm ready for church and this is what I'm going to be wearing. So I'm wearing this long sleeve because it's kind of cold outside. This green skirts and my Crocs, but I'm going to put on socks. So yeah, this is what I'm wearing today. It's so cute, guys. Like, I'm actually seeing the tree from here, so cute. Okay guys, good morning. So it is actually December 10th and I'm ending this vlog here because I forgot to end it yesterday. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you have not yet subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, click the bell so you're notified every time I make a video. Give this video a big thumbs up and comment down below whether you want to comment hashtag notification squad or you want to comment hashtag done so that you can get your shout out next week. Today's notification shout out goes out goes to Dabbingzer. I think I'm pronouncing that, but it will be on the screen. Thank you so much for subscribing and commenting. It means a lot that you took the time to comment. I did not get any motivational comment, but I just want to say, guys, in this time, just love each other and share with each other. Just give someone the Christmas cheer. And that is gonna be it for today, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.